Hey, guys, I have been testing these vacuum cleaner system for some time, and today, I am doing the mega comparison vacuum cleaner system. I hope this video will be helpful for your decision-making process. Number 5. Brand name, Lietruc certification, M certification, C certification, RO certification, certification, Borigin, D-Power, less than 500 voltage, 14.4 function. Wet and dry dust box capacity, 0.6-1 dust storage type, dust box battery life, 1 hour and 40 minutes bag or bagless, bagless installation, robot timing reservation, yes looked, yeses. 33,033,074 remote control, yes special suction nozzle, multifunctional combined brush filter type, EPR model number, Lietruc C30 turbo brush, ye scored length, wireless cleaning route. Plant type a controller type, voice, Wi-Fi app, remote control 2D map shown on app, yes intelligent water tank capacity, 350 ml SDRONG suction power, 4000 PA navigation, 2D map and gyroscope filters. HEPA plus primary battery capacity, 2500 mAh lithium-ion central brush, Visha Smart memory, yes. Product link in the description box. Number 4. Brand name, Xiaomi certification, known origin, can power, 25 voltage, 14.4 function, mopping and sweeping and suction type a dust box capacity, 0.6-1 dust storage type. Dust box battery life, 1 hour and 30 minutes bag or bagless, bagless installation, robot timing reservation, yes looked, size, 35.3358.2 remote control, yes special suction nozzle, wiping and absorbing ground brush filter type, EPR model number, Mia sweeping mopping robot G1 turbo brush, ye scored length, wireless cleaning route, plant type air release date, 2020 dust box volume. 600 ml water tank capacity, 200 ml battery, 2500 mAh scope of work, 120 square meter anti-falling, yes anti-collision, yes auto recharge, yes. Product link in the description box. Number 3. Brand name, Xiaomi certification, certification, C certification, ROS origin, can power, 40 voltage, 14.4 function, mopping and sweeping and suction type at dust box capacity. 0.5 L dust storage type, dust box battery life, 2 hours and 30 minutes bag or bagless, bagless installation, robot timing reservation, yes looked, na size, 35,035,096.8 remote control. Yes special suction nozzle, wiping and absorbing ground brush filter type, EPR model number, D9 turbo brush, ye scored length, wireless. Product link in the description box. Number 2. Brand name, ABIR certification, certification, C certification, M certification, certification, ROS origin, can power, less than 500 voltage, 14.8 function, wet and dry dust box capacity. 0.6-1 L dust storage type, dust box dust bucket battery life, 2 hours bag or bagless, bagless installation, robot timing reservation, yes looked, na size, 33,033,076 remote control. Yes special suction nozzle, efficient brush filter type, EPR model number, ABIR X6 turbo brush, ye scored length, wireless cleaning route, planned type and navigation system. Camera plus vision plus SLAM triple navigation maps building, driverless level SLAM algorithm map memory, upgrade and storage selective cleaning zone, yes software virtual barrier, yes intelligent voice control. Alexa, Google Home, Yandex Alice. Continuous cleaning, yes electric water tank, 360 ml dustbin box, 600 ml max suction, 4000 fan type, Japan needed brushless motor wet mopping type, electric controlled air pump water outlet adjustment. 3 levels firmware upgrade, OTA continuous online upgrade cleaning time, 120 minutes warranty period, 3 years warranty. Product link in the description box. Number 1. Brand name, Vacuum-Master model, portably certification, C certification, Surgeon, can power, 1300 voltage, 220 function, wet and dry dust box capacity, greater than 2 L dust storage type. Dust bucket battery life, non-e-bag or bagless, bagless installation, drum vacuum timing reservation, no, na size, 31,031,087 remote control, yes special suction nozzle. Multifunctional combined brush filter type, EPR model number, VK1320 turbo brush, no cord length, 10 ml cleaning route, random tip motor watts, 1300 wear flow, 33 liters vacuum, 19 kp noise, 68 bare watt, 170 tank material, stainless steel tank size, 20 L suction tubes, 1 PC stainless telescope 1 blower function, no. Product link in the description box. Thank you for watching the video.